Dollar index, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned we can look for continuation at least with the breakout of the stop. This is what we get, but we didn't get proper trade setup based on 1 hour chart. Okay, now one is what's the next and how high this one can go. Still, we can look for continuation. That's why if we get any trade setup, we'll consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we can to start. I mean, we start to manage it. Okay, right now we have this. We want to see whether we can get any trade setup. All right, still we can look for continuation. And if we move to, I mean, right now we start to with the higher time frame. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned for long term we're looking for buy, either the price continue from here or the price drop to tag 88.2 before we get the next move. But from what we can see here, mostly we can expect for continuation. Maybe we don't get any more. We don't need to look for any more drop. Okay, now we want to see as the price broke the previous high. Now we want to see what's the next. Okay, in this case, we move to forward chart. All right. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for this correction flat in relative to this. And right now, this is what we have. Okay, if we want to put in this one in relative to this, that means still we can continue and the price can move higher because in terms of the time and length, we cannot put this one is not matched with this. That's why still we can look for continuation. That's why based on 1 hour chart, I mentioned still we can look for continuation. Even the price can continue at least to 93, even higher, maybe 93.5. Okay, but if we get any trade setup, it depends how. I mean, it depends on the trade setup we get. But mostly we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. Why? Because the reason is because if we put this one in relative to this, as we can see, first of all, as we can see, the price broke the previous top. And if we put this one in relative to this, if we refer to indicators, MACD shows the divergence and another one. Okay, in case there is a reversal, because may this one tend to a one more drop and this one tend to a bigger flat correction for next move. Okay, that's why if we get any buy setup, since the price broke the top, and as we can see, the base move is a bit corrective, we need to be quite careful. For sure, if I get any reversal in terms of the risk and reward can give us a better trade setup rather than buying because our stop loss will be at the top. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. That means we will have both possibility. But right now, still we are within this. We're looking at this as a correction. May with this one turn to 1, 2, 3, 4, one more drop. That's why we need to know any buy from here we consider as a short term. Okay, right now what we're looking for, we're looking for this. We want to see whether we can get any trade setup, either having a trade above this or this one turn to more complex correction, but will be as a short term. All right. By the way, we should be aware of the reversal. If we get any sharp move with the correction or small flag, in terms of the risk and reward can give us better trade setup similar to what we have here. Okay, we need to know about this possibility. That's why for me, if I want to look for buy, I prefer to get the bigger correction rather than looking for the small correction. It's like more complex correction, at least with the 3 waves. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. And as I say, if there is a reversal, we can get really good trade setup. But technically right now, still we can look for continuation 93 to 93.5. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.